Frequency parameter setting in delta VFD-B variable frequency drive. Parameter number 1-00, its maximum output frequency, possible to setting 50 to 400 Hz. Default setting is 60 Hz. Parameter 1-01, maximum voltage frequency. You can set here as your desired level. Parameter 1-03, midpoint frequency. Our default setting is 0.50. We set here 1.50. Minimum output frequency, parameter 1-05. Here we want to set 3.50 but displaying error because of minimum midpoint frequency limit is 1.5. So we need to change parameter 1-03, midpoint frequency. First set at 1.50. So we set now here 10 Hz. So now we can change minimum output frequency in parameter 1-05, 5.50. Parameter 1-07, its upper limit frequency, which frequency will be maximum frequency in operation. You can set as your machine desired or requirement. We set here 60 Hz. And lower limit frequency, you need to set a minimum frequency limit from which level you want to run the drive. Default setting is 0 Hz. You can set 10 Hz, 5 Hz as your requirement or machine requirement. It's depend on your speed level, lower limit to higher limit. Lower limit frequency is parameter is 1-08. So that's all our frequency parameter for delta VFD-B drive. You can set and run the machine as you desire.